Welcome to my home office / lady space. This is just a place where I come to relax, get away from everybody. This is my me time. First thing I did with this room was paint this wall in this federal blue color. Love this color so much. I feel like you can add any accent color with it. I left the remaining room the same. I chose this room for my space because I love natural light and this window truly brightens up the space. I have my oversized chair that fits 2 people into the seat, but most of the time I lay horizontal in the chair and prop my feet up. I got my pillows from this line called Inspire Me Home Decor. Just have my little throw blanket in the back there. And then I have these baskets from Walmart with some extra pillows. This table, I actually bought this table on clearance at Furniture Factory Outlet because it had some scuffs on it, but I decided to just redo the table myself. So I spray painted the table the same colors, and then there's no more scuffs. This clock was something I previously had as well, and I just decided to paint it gold to go with the room. Eventually, I'm going to get something else to put right there, but just so it can coordinate, I painted it gold, and looks pretty good for now. My chair I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and my desk I got from this online website, Wayfair. The items on my tabletop came from Ross. And this is just a little closet I use to store extra things in right here. And then here's a picture I got from at home. This storage bench I got from Bed Bath & Beyond online. This tray, I'm not sure where I got this from. And that's just the door to go back outside. I have space over here beside my chair to put something else, but I don't like a lot of clutter, so I may put something over there and I may not.